Hi everyone, my name is Venessa. I am a final year student in International Studies with French at the University of Buckingham, and I'm here today to address, in my opinion, one of the most relevant topics of the moment, which is distance learning and studying from home. A few months ago, virtually every student worldwide was forced to transition from studying in class, in person, to an online platform. And I must say, when I first found out about the news, I was quite scared. So I was scared, first of all, of missing out on university life, so social life, particularly of university, networking, and that in-person experience. And secondly, because I'm not a big fan of distance learning, so I was really afraid it was going to impact my grades. But lucky for me, my university, and I believe other universities, put in place measures and systems to make sure that the students still received quality education even though it wasn't in person. So for example, we started using Teams video calls, which really helped with being able to see your classmates and interact, so not missing out completely on that social interaction. Our libraries were transitioned online, so that means we still had access to the books. Furthermore, meetings with our tutor and meetings with academic staff in general was all moved online through Google Teams, so it wasn't just emailing them 24/7, but you could actually book an appointment with them and have a video chat with them. And lots of other departments were moved online as well. For instance, the student welfare department, so if you needed to speak to a psychologist, you could book a Teams meeting with them and still, have that conversation that you used to have with them on campus. Despite all these departments transitioning online and therefore helping me with my student experience, so not only academia wise but with my social life as well, studying at home is still a bit hard because for some people, home is not always 100% conducive to study. Sometimes you might have siblings around you, people are young carers, therefore it's really easy to get distracted. So here are a few key things that I did that did help me. One of the first things I made sure I did was scheduling and organizing my day. The second thing that I did that helped me was to pretend to be in an actual classroom during my lectures. So I would have my notepads and my pen and I would be taking notes. The third thing that helped me was to try and get involved in the different virtual events that my university or the Students' Union was putting on. Overall, transitioning online was not as scary as I thought it would be. Even though it's not the same as an in-person university experience, it is still really good and the quality is still there. In terms of focus and concentration, no matter the type of household you're in, just know that as long as you're doing your best, it's okay, you are doing good, because we are in the midst of a global pandemic. Therefore, just the simple fact that you are out there doing your best, putting in the work, needs to be applauded. So keep going. We got this.